We've got a garden, we've got sheep, we've got chickens. Try and get everyone out and about, doing theory, doing practical work as well. So quite a mix of stuff. Just have them in person, working with them, seeing what they do, how they behave. It's so much easier just to learn. So I'd love to get into agriculture, probably through a university course. I love the climate change side of agriculture, like how animals affect it, how plants affect it, like all the practical things like the garden and the sheep, just bring it more kind of real life rather than just on paper, which I really love that.
Students absolutely love being able to go outside and interact with the animals, whether it be the chooks or the sheep. And shortly we'll be receiving some cattle, just getting calves, dairy calves. I think it brings a sense of calm when they're working with sheep. If they have to consider another bee that is interacting with them, they are keen to come to class. Attendance is really good.
Well, the chooks have always been here, but the sheep came here at the start of the term. They leave next week, and then we get calves the week after. And whenever I go in to feed them, they always just crowd around me. This morning, actually, I was feeding the sheep. So I actually want to be a zookeeper, so I have 3 science classes, ag being one of them, which will hopefully help me get the job I want.